Paste here. We're fucking tired. Tired. Gonna go to sleep. No further ado, though, we're gonna paste this whole motherfucking thing! So, white it out, baby. It all goes the same place. Airport doors whited out. I'm sure we got all this. This is pretty sure. Alright, guys, all cards on the table. This is what we're rolling with. As we can see, we added a border here. Gonna close everything off. And this was a part of the book. This was, I think it was like the introduction pages or something. But, anyways, here is our creation in all its glory. Again, we've only used pictures because putting in words, it's a little too complicated. It's like neither here nor there. And I feel like we can get a good story tell just with the pictures. Does that make sense? Well, yeah, this is it right here. And now we're gonna use this good old Mod Podge spray because we definitely don't want to use any more of the fucking glue. Because if wrinkles start popping out of this thing that, took us 4 hours to make, we're gonna be pissed. Pissed! So we're just gonna spray this down and hopefully that it works. We don't miss a spot. We're gonna go like this in a pattern. It does smell a bit strong. We'll for sure get it like this. In case we miss there. We'll go up. Up. Whoa, are we out already? No way. No way, we can't be. I don't know if I'm using too much. I don't think I am. Whew. Stand back for a good 5 minutes.